Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the human response to vibrations. So, in this video series, we are going to detailedly discuss about the various properties and parameters related to the vertical dynamics. So, in case of an automobile, the vertical dynamics it's full and fully deals with the suspension system and some part of the tire. Okay. So, in this slide, we are going to discuss about the various response of humans to the vibration which is impacted while using an automobile. So, let us later discuss in the upcoming slides. So, vibration exposure in the automobiles, it can significantly impact directly to the human beings in various ways in various parts of a human body. So it may discomfort your drive, or it can reduce your performance while driving, or it can sometimes it can cause serious issues in your health also. Since our human body is sensitive to all kind of mechanical vibrations, so normally the vibrations has been created by poor road conditions or poor maintenance of the suspension system. So there are some variety of reasons which serves as a source for the vibration. So due to that, the human body is affected in various ways, right from just motion sickness to the permanent injuries, right? So this response varies depending upon the vibration frequencies. So vibration frequencies, it differ according to different road conditions or uh, different environment. Okay. So these are some factors that affecting the human response. The first is the frequency, the vibration, the amount of frequency that particular object or the particular thing produces. So this human body it resonates at different frequencies. Like for example, in spine, it is 4 to 6 hertz. And then amplitude. So higher amplitude it causes more discomfort while driving, and also sometimes it leads to the risk of our health. And the direction, so since we know this the vertical damping related to the x-axis is more disturbing than the vibrations created during the horizontal axis during the acceleration and deceleration. And the next factor is how long that particular vibration has been impacted to us, the duration. So it also plays a vital role. So long exposure, it increases the risk and discomfortness while driving. And then the posture and the contact. So the sitting position, depending upon that, also the vibration will impact on that and create the problems in our health. So there are some vibration standards available. So ISO 26311 it says that it evaluates the whole body vibration effects on health and comfort, and ISO 5349 it evaluates the hand-arm vibration impact and the exposure limit. And also the occupational safety regulations, many countries limit exposure duration in the working environment. So the third thing is mainly related to the working area where more vibration has been created by using has been created by the machines in the industries. So these are some types of human response to the vibration. So first is the comfortness. So low frequency vibration, especially below the 20 hertz, it is uncomfortable, most uncomfortable. Okay. So long exposure to that particular frequency can cause motion sickness. Motion sickness is nothing but when a person who is traveling for a long time, or travel for some time in a bus or a car, they used to take vomit. It causes or moderate or sometimes headache. So that term we call it as a motion sickness. Okay. So long exposure to these vibrations can cause the motion sickness or fatigue. So it is common in automobile, aircraft, and the trains. Next is the perception. So normally our human sensitivity to our vibration peaks between normally 4 to 8 hertz. So vibration may be felt without being harmful, affecting the perception of our ride quality. So this particular 4 to 8 is not much dangerous when you compare to the 20 hertz. So this perception affect slightly affect the ride qualities. And next is the performance. And the performance in the sense, uh, when we expose continuously or to a long duration to that particular vibration, it can react, it can disturb ourselves in many ways. It can reduce the reaction time, focus, and the task performance in the sense the riding the vehicle. So it can disturb all the process, and it's critical for the operators, especially drivers. So health effects. So long-term exposure to this particular vibrations can lead to spinal disorders, lower back pain, and circulatory and digestive issues. And in hand harm vibration, it normally occurs when we use the power tools like drillers, etc. So it causes the vibration white finger. It's one of the disorder, and numbness or tingling and muscle fatigue. So these are some strategies that can be implemented to overcome the vibration. First is the ergonomic seating. Ergonomic in the sense the comfortness to handle the parts. So suspension seats, padding, and lumbar support. So these kind of thing can be added to improve the ergonomics. Next, isolation mounts. So this isolation, it prevents the vibration to from which is produced from the irregular road surface. To impact our health, our body. So this isolation medium, it isolates the vibration so that no vibration is absorbed by our body. And vibration damping materials can be used in the driver cabin handles to absorb the vibrations created by the irregular surfaces. And tool design improvements, it is mainly related to the power tools and work scheduling. Instead of exposing long duration, we can skip some we can have some schedule and giving some breaks so that the worker will not expose over to that particular vibration. And posture training can be given in fact to the drivers also for having a comfortable ride. So in real world application, NVH plays a vital role in the vehicle. In case of aviation, seat and control surface are carefully designed to avoid the resonance frequencies. So in construction sites, the workers are trained to rotate tasks to reduce vibration and risk injuries. So that's all about this human response to vibrations. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.